Once again, excuse me, Hatsan 125 25 caliber vortex piston. This is Air Arms 25.4 grain. This was a 3-shot group at about 12 meters or so, or 12 yards, I'm sorry. But as you can see, I can still get pretty good groups. Not quite as clean, but pretty much the same, right through the same hole. Now obviously once I take it further out, they'll open up, but I already took these out to 100 yards and they were still under the size of a penny, or right at. I've got pictures of that too. And no, I don't shoot groups like that all the time. I really have to put in the effort. I'm more often than not now, but yeah, anything would be my own fault is what I'm saying. So there's the 3-shot group. And then we'll go down to the 5-shot group right there. See, there's my 5-shot group, and as you can see, the top one, that's where I basically pulled it. Otherwise it would have been all one hole as well. So that wasn't the gun or the ammo, that would have been me. And I knew it when I did it. So there you go. So far all 3 ammos that I own and use frequently I can get one-hole groups with for the respective distances. The Barracuda being number 1. So you see what groups I'm getting with these. You can imagine what the Barracuda does. That's just me and my gun. And not every time.